Once you have finished using the pen, please do not discard the tops of it, the covers, keep them. They come in very good use to hang something. Now say suppose here I am hanging kerchiefs. I have to simply take one of these pen tops or covers and just clip it in this way. Y'all can even hang socks or any other clothing that y'all require to hang. Not only on the hanger in this way, but if y'all have a rope tied outside where y'all usually hang your washed clothes, you can use this as a clip over there. Isn't it a useful hack? I have completed the hanging. I will not show you the full thing, but at the end of it, I'm done with the hanging and this is how it looks. Useful hack, right? Then please do share it with others. And for more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new out here. I'll see you next time with many other hacks. Bye for now.